Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine.
After that they come to inbox. Treat cafe as inbox. You are so beautiful.
Thanks, you are also handsome.
Are you single?
Yes, I am single, but why are you asking this?
I have seen you at top of the leaderboard. You are too pretty, that's why I asked.
Please say clearly what you want to say.
Actually, I love you.
What are you saying? We were only good friends.
But, I love you really.
Love you too, lovey.
I am so happy now. Can I kiss you now?
Now give me your Brainly and Insta password and put my name on your status.
Sure.
Don't try to cheat me.
Brainly couples meet in real.
Hey lovey, you came.
You lovey, it's really amazing to see in real.
I never thought that our Brainly love will come till here.
You are telling right, I too have never thought, my darling.
Yeah.
Let's go to the restaurant and enjoy there.
Okay, let's go.
We are almost to reach.
Yeah.
They reached the restaurant. Tell me what you like most in me, after seeing me in real.
I liked your personality and your behavior.
Wow, thanks.
I love you a lot, lovey. Why don't you put my photo in your DP and my name in your status?
You two don't give me your Brainly password.
Okay, lovey, let's not fight here because all are seeing us.
Yes, you are right. You met how many Brainly friends in real?
I met just you.
That's so sweet. You are so nice, lovey.
Thanks. Now, I have to go. See you next time.
Okay, let's go. I will drop you till bus stand.
Okay, bye. Take care of yourself.